Hi, I'm Zach with METALpro, and today I want to walk you through how to set up and operate your MP9000 pipe and tube bender. So the MP9000 is a 90-degree max bender. We offer options up to 2-inch pipe and tube for die sets. Today, we're going to do something different. There's a lot of people on the market that do pipe and tube benders, and you've seen pipe and tube bending a million times. Today, I want to show you how we're going to do some 3/4 solid rod, something different. So first thing you need to do is figure out what die set you need based on the material you're bending. Once we do that, then you're going to take your die set and you're going to put that over the stem of the cylinder. We have a nice cutout window here that allows you to look down in there, see what you're doing, and make sure the die is fully seated on the stem. Now you're going to reference the back of your manual. In the back of your manual, there'll be a chart that has the hole cutouts on your frame referenced to the material size we're bending. You can move your roller pins along those holes based on material size. Once you get that set up, now it's time to plug your machine in and bend. So we're going to take the material, put it through the side of the machine horizontally, make sure it's fully seated in the die, and you're pressing your foot pedal, slowly pressing that material up against the rollers, and then pressing through and bending up until the degree you need is hit. That's how you operate your MP9000. This is a very simple bender to use. These machines are 110 single phase. They are backed by the industry leading True Blue METALpro warranty, and they are 100% USA made. If you have other questions or additional setup requirements for your MP9000, or you're interested in some die sets, please reach out to one of our US dealers or us directly, and we'd be happy to answer any of those questions for you.